Thanks for staying with us. Now, our next guest has built a name for herself as one of the most, do you know what? You're dynamic performers in the Irish music scene.
Joining us now to talk about a new podcast music series, Field of Dreams, performing at Glastonbury and loads more. It's the one and only Róisín Ó.
Good morning to you. Welcome. How are you?
Me. I'm great. How are you guys?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Are in order.
Yes, I'm a bit bigger. Since
You're a bit
last time I
bigger
was on
since the last time.
Yeah.
So yeah, how long are you gone?
What am I, like 6 months-ish?
6 months.
October. Yeah.
So and how you told the world was a bit different.
Yeah, it was actually. Yeah. I'm sort of cringe about posting photos of bumps and stuff, but I love that CMAT song. It's such a banger.
Yeah.
It's so good. And there's a part about the family maker, and I was like, oh, I've got a little family maker here. Maybe I'll just do the dance and put it in.
Stunning.
Make a bit of a joke of it.
How are you feeling? How are you getting on?
Grand. I just got back from tour in America, which was tough. You know, like I'm starting to get tired. And when I started the tour, I was like, end of my second trimester, I'm going to be great, going to be fine. And by the end, I'm like a zombie.
This is with the brother Danny and the Coronas.
Yeah, playing with the Coronas. Yeah, on their American tour is brilliant. It was really great.
How many cities did you do then?
We did 7 cities.
Okay.
Yeah, right, west coast to east coast. Yeah.
See, it's the travelling as well, isn't it?
It's the travelling that's tough in the van with the lads, you know.
In the van with the lads.
Smelly boys.
No, I got a few flights while they were doing the hard trek. I was like, guys, come on, I'm a pregnant woman now.
I know you have to you have to cough up the money for the flights.
No, terrible.
How long were you over there?
2.5 weeks. Yeah.
Right, okay, so very busy.
That's
then.
2.5 weeks, 7 gigs. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, a few days off, which was good. It was good fun. We always have the best crack.
But you see, it is a family. I mean,
yeah, and all the lads.
Exactly,
brothers,
you'd know them
it's not
all.
Work, really.
Yeah,
no, it's great.
But busy as well, and then Glastonbury. I mean, everybody, the Dream Festival gig is Glastonbury.
It really was. I'd never been before.
Had you not?
No, and it really is as magical as they say. Like, it really, just the scope of it, like the people there, the age group I was blown away by. Like, it's just like families with kids, young people, really old people, and everybody getting on. Like, you know, it was a real love fest. It was great.
It is humongous though, isn't it? When you see the footage of it.
We walked for 40 minutes from our tent to go see Haim, one of my favourite bands, and it took us 40 minutes and we hadn't even gone halfway across the length of the place, you know. It's just non-stop.
It's crazy.
It's crazy how huge it is, yeah.
So what was it like? How did it come about? How did you get...
I was playing with the Coronas. They had a show at the acoustic stage there, and it was their first time playing as well. It was brilliant. It was massive tent, and the acoustic stage is one of the smaller stages, but really.
But
really
they're thousands there, even at that. Yeah, there's no small stages in Glastonbury in that respect.
Yeah.
How does one get, you're right there, but how do you get the gig at Glastonbury? Do they promoters contact you, or do your people try and get on the list, or how does it work?
I'd say it's a bit of both. The Coronas have a new promoter over in the UK, and the guy who runs the acoustic stage often has a lot of Irish bands. He's known for bringing over good Irish bands. So, yeah.
But I mean, you're saying you're pregnant now and you're doing all this. You're just back from America, and you've also gigs that you're doing yourself.
Yeah. I've got solo gigs coming up. I'm playing Kilkenny this weekend in Clears, beautiful little theatre there, and Whelan's on the 23rd of August.
Whelan's always a great one, isn't it?
I love Whelan's. Yeah. It's like my home away from home, or home in home, I should say. But that'll be my last solo shows. For a while.
I was going to say, if you're due in October, so you're wrapping up. What's your last date performance?
That's my last solo gig, 23rd of August in Whelan's, and then I'm playing. Oh, I better not say actually, just in case it's not announced yet.
Okay.
I'm playing another show with the Coronas the week after that. Yeah.
What's the week after the 23rd of August? Just looking at my calendar, late August, early September.
Big gig somewhere that's to be announced.
I didn't say anything. No, I didn't say anything.
Glastonbury's big over there, but we don't know, by the way. We don't know. We're just guessing. Tell us about the documentary series, Fields of Dreams.
Yeah, it's amazing. I've had so much fun doing it. It's a 10-part miniseries talking about the live entertainment, I suppose, the live entertainment scene in Ireland from the 70s up to the 2000s, and sort of Slane, after Slane, when you two were playing in Slane. But it's a lot of interviews with amazing artists like Pete Cunningham from D-Ream and Hot House Flowers and Sharon Shannon and Bewitched, and these great interviews from people who were starting out in the 70s and after that, and just how it evolved from, the only time people would go to gigs would be show bands or in the pub at a session, you know, and how much Ireland has changed since then and become this culture of like loving gigs and loving festivals, and how we've become like a mecca for those moments of live music.
But we always have, haven't we?
Yeah.
Like we're steeped in that tradition.
Totally.
Have you seen a change?
Well, I've loved going to festivals since I was 17. Like, it's always been part of my life, and even growing up, like, my parents were
with
always,
your mum, yeah,
always
and your dad,
with shows. But I think there was something about the 70s. Ireland was coming out of like this dark, dreary place, and, you know, still under the thumb of the Catholic Church, very much so. And there was sort of this revival of the folk music revival, as well as rock music and punk music coming in, and the young people really, you know, saying, no, we want to see more live music like this and this and this, and creating our own then, which I think was really important as well.
We have changed so much. You say the 70s, but even like right up to the 90s, we're talking about Ireland in an entirely different world, really, 100%. And it's reflected in music.
Yeah, completely. And you see that now, the amazing music coming out of in all genres in Ireland at the moment. Young people, some fab.
It's made because obviously COVID put a stop to it.
Yeah.
But then to see it come back, bounce back the way it has, it's like everyone just wants to be at the festivals now, want to go to the gigs, don't they? It's like, let me back at it.
Yeah, oh, completely. And you see, I think IMRO brought out a report recently that's like, it's $1 billion industry every year as the live music industry. And people are spending throughout the year like over €800 per person on average.
We did it on the show one morning about what they pay for the concert, for the hotel, everything they do, and everything around it.
Yeah. But I think music is in our blood in a way, more so than in other countries. And just every chance we get, especially in the summer, like there's so many great festivals, big and small, that are around now that, I love it. I love it all. Yeah,
we love our music. We love your podcast as well. Were there any shocking moments or from any of the legends where they surprised you?
There's some good ones, all right. I love the funny sort of real irish-isms of some of them. You know, there was one where it was, Pete Cunha from D-Ream, the lead singer D-Ream, he was getting interviewed. BBC were sending Terry Wogan over to his home in Derry, you know, and when his mother heard this, she was like, oh my God, like, we're going to have to get a new toilet for Terry Wogan. Like, he can't be coming and going out into the back house, like, you know. And so she got the toilet done and all in time for Terry. And then he arrives and he's interviewing Pete and they're looking at the house and all. And then they stop filming and Terry's like, can I use your bathroom? He's like, yeah, it's just out in the back garden there. And sent him out to the back garden, and the mother was mortified. Like,
he said Terry wrote it.
Why did you send him to the back garden? He said, look, it's the new toilet's upstairs.
Oh,
you know?
So Terry Wogan never saw the new loo.
Oh.
The Terry toilet.
The Terry toilet.
I just love, like, there's real Irishism stories like that. Some brilliant storytelling from artists and also from promoters, and, you know, talking about the troubles in the north and how sort of music, you know, brought people together a lot in that time.
It did, and it still does.
Exactly.
It still does. So it's The Field of Dreams, and where can you get it?
Spotify, Apple, anywhere you listen to your podcast.
And then, of course, you've your gigs this weekend, and Whelan's. And how can people get tickets for that?
If you head to my Instagram, actually, there's a link with all the tickets.
Okay.
Yeah, Róisín Ó Music.
Róisín Ó Music. Always lovely to see you.
Thank
and
you
congratulations.
We'll see you on the other side.
Yeah,
we'll see you on the other side.
Next time.
Yeah, you can bring the baby in.
The baby's going to be performing. The baby's going to be on piano or something.
Exactly.
Róisín, lovely to see you again.
Lovely to see you again. Thanks so much. Shiva, what's still to come?
Well, things are really heating up in the Love Island villa. We're bringing you all the latest gossip and drama right after this break.